Very few artists in the world today have 7 decades of experience under their belt. Artist Albert Handell is one of those few and is considered to be a legend in our time. In mastering pastels, this art legend offers you his best, the wisdom he's gained throughout his long and colorful career, his best methods and techniques for painting with pastel, and the best part, how your art can command the attention it deserves. Don't miss 1 minute as Albert leads you through every decision he makes, from choosing the scene, setting up his pastels, his progression through each phase of the painting, and then deciding when the painting should be considered done.
If you take something from the DVD and start practicing it, and then you look at the DVD again and you're able to roll with it, so to speak, and grow, that's my thoughts.